Hi, my name is Ray Bernard, and I am your OpenAI tutor. Welcome to part 2 of our presentation. Here's the site that we created last time, Chat with Chang. It definitely needs a lot of modifications to beautify it a bit, and that's what we're going to do in this lesson. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the HTML file, and I'm going to copy this, paste it into ChatGPT, ask it to beautify it. But before I do that, I'm going to give it a few prompts. I'm going to let it know what I want it to do. For convenience's sake, we're just going to copy and paste the prompts that I've already created. I'm going to replace Chat with Chang, upload a logo, put a little disclaimer at the end, change the coloring, change the size of the input box, and then I'm going to paste the HTML that I already copied into the box. Hit send. Once it's finished generating, I will copy that and paste it back into the HTML and then run my server. And we'll repeat that process iteratively until I'm satisfied with the results. Alright, so it gives me some confirmation of the things that I've instructed it to do. That looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do now is just copy from ChatGPT and paste this into our HTML file. Now we're going to click on the URL, and oh boy, as I can see here, the send is all the way to the left. That's definitely a mistake. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to correct it. I am going to simply say, please make sure the send button is aligned with the input box. Click on send, and right now it's generating a response. We're going to again copy that response and then paste it back into our HTML file, rerunning the application and observing the changes. Alright, it looks like ChatGPT did what I wanted. I'm going to copy its code, paste it into my index file, and then run the application. Wow, it looks great. Hi, this looks much better. Thank you very much, and please hit that subscribe button for a new video every week.